Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options, and we can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here. And as you can see, it gives us access to all the buttons, and for now we are interested in this from the left. So here by tapping on this button with settings we get access to advanced camera options, and now we have to slide a little bit down to the camera settings. And as you can see here we have the mirror front camera option, so by tapping on this we can change it, we can turn it off and turn it on when we need it. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.